Up in the weekend, rotura na majita. Pusha that mission, bana bakozita.
Yo, what it do, Arnazina.
Welcome back.
Never hear me consider the worry. I have a neighbor.
I understand how people drink this thing. They got sugar.
They switch. And they got that switch.
Hey, so good fine.
Hey, man, we are back. Over the long weekend. Traditional on top of tradition.
Vamwe vatovona vamwe vatori vochata kana vomara vasongovudziwa tangana
vamwe vosvika vapfa vopfaka mungano upfi muna unogomara vasvika vatitisa nge
vachipedza kutitisa vavudziwa upfi it's over vadova varira mara votoya
vasingorambiwa marai
vamwe vatokokodziwa vaposwa ndagete lakiwo vasara vakusemana vemageteni munyanya wekuya panda mudzimu
ndevuya veiona kushatisa gai kana nakomara gai kana akomara nyiwe navanji ingopfana naye
rikudzeni ridiwe
ngosikuona zona ri kutoshuta rodzura brainini apa we are somewhere. You know, Street Talk Podcast,
it's on the street.
It means we shoot everywhere we want to shoot. Man, we are all over.
Yeah, we are all over.
Yeah. What meaning a weekend?
Long weekend, you know, the you know, man. I was chilling at home, then out of go see my sister. I think we chilling in here until late.
Yeah.
Then came home. Man, I didn't really have anything to really do. I listened to a couple of albums. I listened to music. Man, I don't really have much and angatwambori. I mean, itungwa mnyanyani wa mutu watu wantambe mnyanyani waringori atitodwa mbara sutu.
Mnyanyani nga matap-tap.
Mnyanyani nga matap-tap.
Reifa pungo ya. But it was a good vibe, man. Mara, before you can ring no visa.
Nani ko Indian rubuzinya wewe ya long weekend.
I think Venda una vibe. It's just that Vatwashia Venda, we do the same thing
that you
all the time.
Yeah.
So that's why people do want such a we are Venda. I mean, because they are doing the same thing. I think they need to explore something, and maybe they will try and understand some stuff. Beside Uri, Minyanyani Roya, Rochatisa, what the sign, what the ring is. The Minyanyani. When you do that, you it's part of life. You grow. It's part of growth. It's part of growth.
Yeah.
But in all, man, weekend was weekend, and we had to vibe, man. So yeah, man. It was not bad, man. It was not bad. Mara before the Janako ring your visa. I just wanna come to Nema. I'm a Maphorisa. Niwane mutukoi wa mwimbi obuka nyinyi ene oduma mara hoyo mutu hatubi avoid atarekana hoyo mutu odumao. Do you think aba vatu bene moduma batohana batotoda uchifika kubuku wafedzi kana oyo mutu ane go babuka namsha mwimbi utowakore ya feature nyinyi ne bokweti yamini kamanda Venda ni mwe jufi nyinyi daka party ya nema ndi muimbi kimen Gale mara men Gale oduma mara men Gale wa daka buka obuku aka ganema
achini yao alazo yanezo munji aba embi ba ayani they don't form part of cycles abachimbirana na bamwe abashira na bamwe batu madi ngore arali na build a relationship na dzimwe dzi artists dza nnḓa, it becomes easier for you to do a future nabo ndi ni a kona u shumisana ngori zwine zwa zwone ndi zwa uri tshiṅwe tshifhinga arali muthu ngo soko vhudza uri ndi khou ita vese na khombela vese yaṋu anga ḓo nifha the best ine yavha yone ngori thi ngo to badela, mara again arali ni khou badela muthu ri khou ḓa vese yawe what ḓi tea u vha hono vha na dzi communication nyana no dzi sumbedzisana uri ini ita mini na mini, huna that relationship ine ya khou builder ine ya pfala kana muṅwe muthu ane a vha uri u khou introduce munna muno khou ḓa vese yaṋu u ita muzika wa so. But na nga sedza kanzhi Venda vhaimbi vha Venda vha ofha competition. Venda ho ḓala compete nga tshashu internally kha dzi sekela havha ha swika tshifhinga tsho uri ni khou ngori ni shume na vhaṅwe vhathu vha nnḓa, I don't know uri vha to phenika vha ta mini. Okay, simple example nthi na mnisa ḓo ṱwa ndi khou amba madzina vhathu, huna vhaimbi vhangana vhane no vha ndo vha tag na dziṅwe dzi artist kha social media because nṋe ni vhona uri ndi na relationship na muimbi and nda ni tag guy I know uri ani nga ḓo ṱola ni khou chargewa tshelede ngori nṋe ndo amba uri wo muthu ini na we one can you work hola munna ri vhaṅwe ri create na dzi WhatsApp group ra vha panga nga ngomu ha ambiwa mafhungo khou vhona. The only artist I know who followed up at the time ovo Road Kid Stan o follower uri tshifhinga tsha hone a khou amba zwo uri u khou tea u ita track na vho nyinyi bavala na mini zwoṱhe a khou posta, which is the only zwine zwa vha uri ndi ene muthu a yeṱhe ane nda vhona zwa uri o vha na interest to link up with other artists. Havha vhaṅwe vhoṱhe hu tshi ḓa kho ḓo shuma na vhaṅwe vhaimbi vha nnḓa kana ita competition na vhaṅwe vhaimbi zwi a konḓa vha soko pfha nga ri kha musi u feature na muṅwe muimbi zwi ḓura nga maanḓa kana
mara no mu vhidze gigini yawe yanu
nda ndi muthu zwa uri una booking agent. Okay, una dzi vhathu una dzi manager dzo vha ḓa nga book and ini zwo amba na manager ona ri khou ita feature zwi ambi zori ni the one year feature. It's easy to book a muimbi uri a ḓe party yanu than uri ini ni munhu ri khou ḓo ita feature naye.
Nga iṅwe nḓila ni khou amba uri havha vhanna a vha khou amba na vhaimbi straight.
Hai. You don't mix zero. Mbamba okay, una iṅwe website nayo ine vhaṅwe vha ya khayo na ḓi ndo wana Makhadzi na vhunyi DJ something I forgot the name, but I still have the link. Ine vhathu vhunzhi vhathu vha shumisa vha khongo buka dzi artist whether ngo dzi buka dzi bundle kana ngo buka mthi kana ngo ralo uri ni wana discount. Vhaṅwe vha khou amba na havhala vhathu hala vhathu zwa vhuḓila nthu like company i shuma more as your middleman or your booking agent. Vhaṅwe vha khou senda email sa nṋe ndi tshi khou amba na
country ya company
ndi khou amba na manager wa munada ti ndi vha ndi khou amba navho kha musana nga WhatsApp ndi khou amba naye nga mini nga email. Come on, is there something that have to be happening nga munada ani khou amba na munada that's why musi a tshi ḓa party yanu ndi soko pfi hondi ni muṋe wa party a ḓa ani khoḓedzela happy birthday because it's a formality. Zwi ḓi fana na mufunzi o badeliwa uri a ḓa ati bless mnyanyani wanu o ndo badeliwa uri a ḓe ari I bless you. There's no blessing coming out of that. It's just a business and o wana cheke obva uṱuwa. So it's the same thing. Vhaimbi vha Venda most wavho vha shavho shuma na dziṅwe dzi artist and a vha attendi zwithu zwine zwa vha zwori it's what links them with other artists. Ngobona come on, una dzi music conference nnzhi zwino itea vha hone vhaimbi vhanzhi vha Venda vhane ndo wana vho Jozi vho Pitori vho Gale ti hu tshi vha na dzi nthu dzine dza khou itea ḓo uri nṋe a ri zwi ḓivhi a ri zwi ni ḓo zwi vhona hani because you don't get involved in anything. Come on.
Mazore havha vhaimbi for example Nema ni tshi imba na ita birthday party yanu a ḓa King Monadai, which means tshiṅwe tshifhinga zwi nga itea na nthu ngo amba naye no amba na manager and which means that it doesn't mean uri you have relationship na Monada.
Yeah, zwinwe ndi lazwo nga wana uri okay, some of us we can walk into ka event backstage ni tshi swika nda lumelisa maybe an artist or lumelisa muṅwe muthu 2 weeks later or another week ra ṱangana kha iṅwe event ndo ndari ra ḓi lumelisana futhi lwa vhuraru ndo pfa muṅwe ndi muthikha ini na ndo pfa na ino ndo vha stoka na it's a joke that now there's a relationship ri tshi ṱangana lwa vhuṋa kana ndi ya mfutha ṅwaha kana ndi mini hayi munhu ndi kalitisa ni boni man give me your number ngobona that people build relationships in different ways mara Venda ndi u gidimela apena ndi yaimba mini no you build relationship zori nita mina mini come on we don't budza ntu ari J Stash we used to chill with all these people and that's how we manage to build relationships vaimbi va Venda anga funa conference ya muzika zvino Jozi vachidzurani pa Jozi vangasiye bunja buti haifuna mini but the ego you find the celebrity overshadow the creativity yao bunji yao they end up thinking or they've made it that big they're untouchable
Nisikwambori Makhadzi uko vafishara ngori maybe unodumesa
Makhadzi oduma and then most of them unazi gig na zi parties zine people vayamithana ti hadi thoma vushaka hadi vana meni humwe ziyabva na korika studio chiti kamuziri studio gaigai kobona humwe ndo rali ndi yako noamba na I'll give an example it's like inini ko interview Rashidi this week ne so you interview na Rashidi it was like hey Rashid men Gale on interview wa mamuna it's like oh okay just make sure that that interview I record the audio and to mail okay you didn't even have to know Rashid did
yeah
Jambo sorry from there in now you know Rashid it's another relationship that is being created
yeah
so now Makhadzi ora lino una zi parties ni va invite wakadzo but nyu divanyi uchitangani wafalani wendi Makhadzi wendi nyemi you network you link up that's how you end up working with all these people come on
yeah rivona album ya Makhadzi yobva vhathu vanji ndo lingo ḓuvha ndiko shela that thing it was zvezvino ndiko shela nando ima ATM so bangwa mukana huko pira bakiko rwa track ya Makhadzi basa dzinyimbo ndingana atshapelana vhathu bombangarori bojonga Makhadzi kuzwa kubvisa album ḓuvha na ḓuvha umwana Friday imwe na imwe Makhadzi kubvisa album ndiri hayi dzinyimbo iyi obvisa track disingiri mara zvino obvisa mini album inei yo jeka tena mafungo othi adla ndi bari nangwa abezu kunobva khala weekend na chedi inopera ndo rawe apetu bari zvakubvisa ḓuvha na ḓuvha uyu mara zvakubvisa ndari hayi
it's called
ndifana musobvisa album uibvisa kati mara zvino oitori mini
avise
zibve
because okay what's happening I call it the pension Makhadzi unakuita zono kuinvesta ka pension yawe ngawona uko investa ka pension yawe because vhathu vha khou aluwa and the money go aluwa ni waswikona mumwe muzika na pfori a tshavha the way ndi kho da vhaṅwe kuita mini zwa zwino zwine a khou ita zwone ira tshelede ya pension
grant
azwi Makhadzi have made it so uko maintainer standard a tshawa ndavha yo pfi ndiko dropera uwana fene ntswa ndi mafhungo maintainer no entertainer fene dzawe dzine avha nadzo dzine ndi kale anadzo uko to continue no sustainer availability yawe when it comes to the requirement or musi vhathu vha khou muṱoḓa vha khou ṱoḓa u vhona ndi zwine a khou ita zwone na nga sedza we call vhathu vha soko vhidza rimbo ndi hit ndi hit if ranga to fika zwivhekanya zwavhuḓi she's not dropping hit hedziḽa dzine ndi vhona uri audio kokova fana kha kokova na mini kha matorokisi chanda vhuyi acha bvisiwa achina ndara achashumisa achina hanga to prove herself ngobona she's dropping muzika une chimwe tshifhinga lungalo luimbo litsho molira first time na pfunga re alurwi nana ndi cholo fana bilwa brother for sorry hey heli ndi tombo heli I told you before uri muzika na kho visa mostly it grows into you na kono enjoy more Come on. As to find to drop na fangari album iko yo iko dia ngalandila. No fan it just no musica. The tracks end up being classics. Drugo visa musica. Una worry it's more mature. Sound now it's becoming more matured. And the thing now is already uko gidi manga nga sound you never ngwato kushimisa yone which is everyone mostly. Come on. Rechumela kazi mo beat zam raz nena ngafa kazi mo za track za visa niche za beat ndo the first similarities from some of the beats that were used before. I think in that way already some of these producers they're not putting it too much work. That kazi compo music na mini bako soko copy and paste. Come on. That's the other things ni akoti okaidza zimwe as producer as beat makers zo ngoraro hey ndonchinyera suzwanga. Come on. But yeah, the album I like it. It's just that one thing I'm going to tell you already, it cannot match the album yeah. Come on, it can't match those albums. Right now, visa muzika wabudi unaona muzika une you can listen. Mara na zimwe track zine zanga life yanga itongara ndi movie. But na nyimbo zine ni songo soko ita zi challenge kana soko imba zwithu. Ready uzibona so life yanu not over drama eswiki.
Asizonzeni
aiswiki. That's what I mean. I'm joking, guys. Yeah, man.
But another thing you need to get chiperiso ne vhathu ba dzhionga happy Makhadzi entertainment zvikombo Makhadzi she's hands on. Makhadzi uko manage artist imwe na imwe. Makhadzi uko dzi manager.
Cause remember what I said last time? Literally, I'm hoping Muri manager wa Makhadzi as manager wa
wow, you fortunate.
Fortunate.
Yeah.
Come on.
Makhadzi company ingava yawe, but it doesn't mean or
she has in-house producers.
Nikongwana. And it doesn't mean the gigi.
Yeah.
No. She is an owner.
Delegate.
Nikongwana. Most of the things, obviously, you can't do them because you are focused on your music. Where will you get time to manage Fortunator? You wanna get your finger?
Achiyo.
But Fortunator nene, he needs to shine.
Okote wana team yawe.
Nikongwana.
Wako no vaya ndato da watu. Ati Makhadzi team yanga kendo iwana.
Yes.
Ene munu de badera.
Yes.
Come on.
Yes.
Based on Nuri. Iko do utisahani umupushelisani mshumu ya mdisereza mingi.
Yes. So this means Uri, whatever artists needs our party for Makhadzi entertainment. Zviva ngamurao musi Makhadzi entertainment you authorizer.
Yeah.
Yes. It doesn't mean Makhadzi ukoti oba ako fortunate and gigi. No. There should be so it's a wrong process. Don't worry. Makhadzi angasichiwana chipinga. Angasichiwana chipinga.
People just speak the Venda, man. They just want to be the validator of everything. That's why maybe because they want to be the validator of every single. They want to control Makhadzi's life.
Yeah.
Sharp life ya Makhadzi, but they don't even know how she live her life behind closed doors.
How would they?
But vafongari vadiva kuchilele kwa mutu just because vakumuvona kana vamutevera kana mini.
That life is a written life.
It's more like scripted.
It was written. It was written.
It was written. Yo.
Not for me.
Not
for sure.
I mean, the guy is taking his time and is putting a lot of work, and Ogoshuma Navatu, a lot of people that are willing to put him there. When I got the direction, I got the car. I just felt to if maybe over other producer, maybe Mbedi Taro kana inti Ediwawe. There was gonna be a hell more on that album. But yone overall, around this sense or real praise of Tumti Namini. One thing they're gonna move on is or I could have episodes in Neptunes. But remember there it's a team of collectives as Tumti. The album is well written, well incorporated and packaged. I can listen. I can listen to it from time to time. Come on, even though it's already, I'll scream, wow!
It's something you can listen to.
It's something I can listen to, and I'm happy with
Which
it.
means you're ticking most of the boxes.
Yeah, Mizo managed to put in work. Then let's go. This is what it's missing.
Okay.
Spotify, you can be on the top 4, top 2 for 3 months, 4 months. That's where we get it wrong mostly. At the end of the day, that thing doesn't bring money, man.
But I think it was iTunes.
I'm gonna go to iTunes.
Okay.
Also, it doesn't bring money. It just give you more rankings, naminity. Because we need big numbers. To make money.
We need our artists to make money.
So, around you doguma ka online page uri uka top mini ka naka iTunes uka top 4 na mini. Remember, you can be on top 4 maybe because number 1 in 10 streams. In 8 streams. You can still be number 2, number 3. What we're looking for in Zori, it shouldn't end just online. Can he also get bookings? Come on. That's where we get things.
Bookings is a guy. Venda kana Zantoni.
Zafano, it's not gonna be easy. Like we spoke earlier on. We don't really associate nabangwe bathu. So uri angabona the bookings, havana the video, havana mini, it's gonna help. Mara, this is where the trick is. There is no club bang in this album. Remember what I said last time? To compete nama piano na mini and get bookings, you need songs that's gonna make people dance. You need people. That's one got in the album. The album ningari zino zurayani kani kuchimbira kani kuita minami kani bloma na majit. But the problem would be if you go book a event. This is the tricky part. As we last time. Mizo is an entertainer. See? And when you go to the gig, ubuka shidoshi, ubika bubuka Mizo. See? Shidoshi udoda as a crowd puller. Mizo aba more as an entertainer. But what Shidoshi, we are going. And definitely Mizo will be able to listen to some good music. But I know what I'm saying, but they don't understand that.
In terms of bookings, sometimes I feel like Mizo Phyll ubukiwanga uri Venda ndi anyana kuita hip hop most of the times, and he's Mizo Phyll,
and he has friends.
So if you book Mizo Phyll, you know that you're going to listen to some good music, like you're saying.
Yeah.
And you know that it's rare, kana 8 out of 10, Mizo Phyll will perform hip hop music.
Yeah.
He will just threads out there.
It's like who?
That Amapiano, whatever he was featured on.
I'll give you an example. Colbert Mkwebe does not pull the crowd like he used to.
Yes.
But will definitely go. Because you know you're gonna enjoy the performance.
Yes. Yes. Same as Mizo Phyll.
It's like when you're going for jazz festival.
Yeah.
I don't even know. Funny enough, I think I only know is it Simpwe Dana and
Jimmy Dludlu.
Yeah, Jimmy Dludlu. I don't even know. It was what is Sipuma? Judith Sipuma. But most of the artisans that play jazz festival, I don't even know Urindi Nibonyi. Mara, because I know Slelo Slota will perform see? And then that guy, he turns jazz music into like house or something, you end up dancing. Like
Nikongwana.
he knows how to
Once
get
in a while, people wanna dance.
You get people dancing on his jazz music.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go, not because I know or I enjoy jazz. I just love how Silalo Silota performs. Come on. So we miss that. That's why Donna Roko Seman or why Nyas book you. Whenever they don't pull the crowd. Okay. I'll give you another guy. When you have Miss K on stage, when you have Miss K on stage, you're definitely gonna enjoy. Voice yawe or that guy or the guy can sing. But if you book Miss K won't pull the crowd. He won't pull the crowd. Come on. But the guy, if a book one of our never worry, the crowd pull us right now. Or any episodes not you're definitely going to enjoy his performance.
So in closing, we go close album kana LP ya Mizo Phyll. Mapungo manje or LP ndimi na mini Roziyamba ka Facebook.
Roziyamba, I don't live. Anything change the origin is longer than 30 minutes. Guys, the album as the EP. Anything longer than 30 minutes, it's an album.
So Mizo Phyll, it was written or release like Chamusi, the attention was around him, which Zoshumaka favor Yahweh. He had all eyes on him because of Royala, because of everything that was happening.
Hey, you want to switchy.
Ana Metro
CMG.
Musica mixtape.
It's not. Is it a mixtape?
Yeah.
Okay, I said it's an album. Sorry, guys, the mixtape.
Yeah. Nova.
Do you know you can tell Metro house singing?
Not
that. Musica Metro. No, Arua. Dukambo Arua, but you don't expect Metro Venda and Metro da kwamba isizo kake. Metro do drago tsema na ko rama tamba. Metro do dra as. Some Metro have gone soft.
And then they went in the far. Hey, it's not my cup of tea, man. Nah. Or to start the mixtape.
For me, I did enjoy some of the
it's
tracks.
Not my cup of tea. Nah, I didn't.
I did. Go on a track.
Killer on the Redix. Redix or killer.
Go on a track. Of Gale.
Or as a prefix. A prefix.
But he told a story in a different way than there's no prefix right as well. Come on. He came with a story in a way that it's fascinating and you feel like, damn, this track was supposed to continue. Come on. I think I'm gonna try to find it. No, what I
don't know punchlines, man.
That's one to meaning.
There was nothing on that mixtape.
That's what I'm sorry. There's a huge difference from what we hear from Metro. From but what the water zone. It's completely different. Never I enjoyed it. I enjoyed listening to Metro. Chilling with my daughter, man. So something different. I don't know if he's testing the water or he's doing what, but it was something completely different.
No,
no.
Punchline doesn't mean you have to.
No, the Congo the Congo see, Metro became an ordinary artist. Come on, just a writer. Mara, who's seen that execution of fee? Wow, like your punchlines, ne? I mean, like it's more like he was just recording. He had to release something, which is nice.
Let me release something.
Yeah, it can be that, but it was more of a relaxed music than what I'm used to. Even when he was recording and I'm there and long time ago, But one thing,
But I feel like anyone
Metro-
can do that mixtape.
nah, not anyone, not anyone. Venda,
Venda.
0.1%. Songo panga cash flow.
Okay, tamanga bonye.
Komba never bangwene.
Bonye.
Abe cash flow na zone is the nigga is like more like legend.
Even Rookie can do that mixtape.
Yeah, Rookie can.
Even Prefix can do that mixtape.
Nah.
Prefix can do it. Like, he
Okay.
can do that mixtape.
Okay, he can do that.
Even Heaven. Nanyi.
For me, man, I did enjoy it. I was listening to something that there's a couple of tracks that I felt I can listen to them, not the whole tape, but there's about few tracks that about 3, 4. Yeah, I was like, okay, let me play this again. Okay, let me play this again.
Maybe now I have to play it
and then
more and more.
Yeah, that's why maybe I was like, wow, something, one thing is very Metro is no longer single.
Okay.
Aye. Let's have him now about soft.
On soft.
Metro no soft.
Ukwamanga
Metro kufuniwo.
Ini ndiye mufuna ndidda mumala. Nesikisipatika tikipapa. Because maybe I was expecting some punchlines.
You're expecting the Metro, then he gave you Metro. Only for Mama Piri, only for Metro.
Oh, I'm on Metro.
Mama Piri.
Umpa Metro in the seat. Happy Metro police. Wakombo feed Maphorisa adorobo yene po town. Umpa
Mashao.
Kodrofi Metro Mashao kana Metro Toyando. Happy Toyando. Udoba a Metro.
Okay, but yeah.
The one Rookie deko perform ni Moritho. And that the one mumsizana ko perform ninge. Uko tanga na mina nge Moritho na.
There's nothing wrong about what's happening there. Hane wala watu bani wako performeriwa wala muzika bauliza maya. And about chinera. But as always. Mara bachi wa tides okay. Una vatu vane zvithu zvine vazviita zvichibva vatuni vayashona. Ngondi zvine vavazvone zvine vaita zvone. So va prefer vasongo expose you. Okay. Ndikerekeni rikuzvipfa ti. Mara ndikombera muntu antsumbedze petuti ya mwaropfi au jive wati mini. Matokozama kamsi ubidza uri youth idokonoda thuku. Echikobora rumeni.
Ndikerekeni.
Wa entertainiwa wa enjoyiwa huchirwa life ya ordinary kerekeni ahuna milayo yei inena dofofi inyapa kerekeni ni mali nywanda anichimbina njiwa guy aniambina watu bashangu aniti zvipiyo afi nyinyu pregnant noko tatiwa mara nechizana wanazori ngangoma nepo kerekeni wafunzi vonodita vatanu vana mara vango pandiri like milayo yavo ri sometimes you look at them you oppress a certain gender kana you oppress vanna kana itori watu varo kamini Moritho zvinakuita zvondizo entertain uko jive ndizvina jive zvona ambara uri kutuko but ngomona osedzanga lito
Mara uko jive. Kamsa wodiyo musika.
Guy.
Angokurumbeza buruku kubona nantu.
Guy ngori pamayani vajivera wona.
Ukubona na muko uri na mudzimu ene mune hapa otamba zvona.
Ve Moritho wafarisa mudzimu stress.
Mara uko zabo create a free environment for Baswa.
Yeah.
Go Baswa, they rather be at the party than be at the church.
At the church. Go on. The friend watonda kuimba na holy mat. Dari yo.
Mazo na batondi. Abena slam boya bakufuma kerekeni. Bakufuma nombere beja. Mazo na Moritho akwera zone ndi zone. Sharp.
If sometimes the problem is when you go against the norm, people always see that you're wrong.
Hey.
Come on. Ananza kuita zvine muna mwaita zone vatu vaforo na problem. Dishango doraro. Unitize.
So Moritho chidoshi chawana 52 something ZKK.
Not the way you want a proof of payment.
I don't know you want a proof of payment. Ione mumtu karinga idemu ya.
And I type of manga 2 royal.
Marasena yeto proof manga 2.
Asena yete and is not was understand the story. I think you go to manga 11. We ending 11.
But I got 11.
I mean it ping. Pezi zoete and zori. I know re road kid una fan base. Kulwane. See. Imwe fan base ya watu vane vamutevera ndi vana vatsuku tangana thuku dzine dzichiwo jena falani ichiri 8-9 dzifuna dzikwaya so thaidzo ndi uri tangana thuku atseto do ya beginning utavanya then that's the thing what they are late ngobona but one thing is ori it had to happen uri na next timing bakona mupha slot cha bet ngobona and some other thing is ori ara naye vori vachiko negotiate vabudzora ngecho chipinga tingado kono va available ndingakona mini kana asumbeso rocket na gig ngana ngale Dubai but if you really want me there how about the performing chipinga than kuvandiga other the push but it's something we need to learn so that is a vendor recreate a demand or okay I can't make it in chipinga can we suggest something ni fezori va do remain mara vunji yasho arite ezo zwithu I guess from now on maybe what the kono zwiita they will start trying to push on that
so 2 is sharp if what wako fara chipinga
ara wako fara chipinga ndizo zwithu wakiswa mnyeni wana mnyeni no liwa kwa mnyeni watu manga 10 ningo danga 4
fusa uziyambare Royal Garden kana gigiwo adivise line up 2 days before or but dive zori okay nerifuna root kid do fuma nga 2 so we have to go there early not if
back to the city what ba rido ambanana nge ya diva bona not on perform main stage bako perform na watu bana
abawari abagunguri
mara hapo lati vaka TV na ono rimi so naye mafungo ndiori you get that content and you use it wisely it happens is it
rachikali violingwa Zonzo ndikubona hapa lani uri uko sumbedza uri akobika unofara mubika ane
the bigger
ubagara chiri kana
the bigger the E the stronger the C
odala kobika chipa swimming pooluni
chiri garage
mara chiko bambera
and the bigger the the stronger the
the stronger the
the bigger the E the stronger the smell
Baba mwajiri tunatangasi
Ino kwashe Zonzeni ukoro dianga forklift yafale
mara ndiba wena kana utofodwa nabo
we don't know
but
I tried to call him but I'm going for a phone because it's been a while I haven't spoken to him in a while but Zonzeni that yo I follow Farah
ai Farah
Nelezo vini ngore akiswiki janga atani
ni atozura nozura palanta atoima
atofaiwa ndiare ya matafura
mara uneta
tabiri haidi
ndikamore nipo jena uneta one ndikamore
shasha
zitu ndetiwa zitu zaone
angadoro vali noneta ngopibulisa ndora mungwara
linga pa
are hey lechichapo to leto cha kona
and ufya pala ndi abaneti bazo wako tonda
so ndivera riyo
ndishimele nivo na ini
ndinoneta ndeve kako trader zone watu wako posta imu audio receipt ye ila mudi gallery la ribo
chifunda mwina paka chifunda moya
tabu ya bot
opeta chisibola
aswatu tamila ndishini
ndishini
ngazipelele
ndishawani ngore hai ane wini chitu
ngasuluke
Zonzo nene. Ari vile mraje na pala make pre-party yangi ntoni. Unawaimbi banji bena bango perform ngori ya bara bachisika moto wana usina na bathu. Banga performene mahara.
You know something about 2010? Batho bachaya pala vethu. I mean, una batho banya complain nga safety. Uri remember people left bango batho to walk abachila na mini. And uva parliament in ya pala. We are hanging ko work, the safety is not.
Yeah, no bona pala ni. Sura una majita anakuita something bus stop hapa la.
Yeah, I'll safe the way. So what when you are tides on air so footy. I guess next time they will do better. But maybe by pange univen and what else we know one of the call so.
I don't want to strike in a minute.
And a strike is a univen. The one no longer for a piece of vein. If you know no piece of vein. The imaginary what you mark
no dobara chikoloni. Anta konovara so no feel the vein. Ara ube down.
Yeah, so I guess when it comes to Royal, we plan this year. We plan a lot. I'm still waiting for Barabari to come back to me. Never got back.
Only Babuta.
Now it happens. But big up to what he did. Oshumangamanda and I, the whole team have done great work to pull that major show. I mean, Uriba created, whoever came up with that idea, or Makhadzi Avenella entrance. Udito worry Makhadzi won't go to Chakateli way. Owachi go to Chakatran had the mediti. I'm going to Beyonce.
Alright, entrance.
I'm going to address the belly dancer. No, that's what people are not understanding. She was dancing.
I go to Chakatara.
I go Chakatara, not Chakatara, not staging.
Music on with Chakatara.
Hey, so you can't expect to write as Beyonce as not. Because you're not going to come so
Makhadzi nenenga jeshkuru.
Mara Makhadzi I go Chakatara, Zori. What Chakatara had the and it went.
Oro vangi.
Yeah.
Mara VIP ni mazo yake yesi hapa lenari. Era tutoe ona. Yewa ningia kana kare toka yange ninge brao. Ngurobona shikiri.
Yeah.
So hey. Jawoya. Mara hey. I hope Mara Kajaga Diori will it even get better next year na ngorindikana batoko kwa mini. Every year we'll complain.
People will always complain. Every event people will, you can never meet people's needs the way they want to. And some of them, because of social media, they will say anything irrational. Cannot just those numbers of the so ambangori. Basa amba the fongore basa ngogungure abanga one is likes not comment. Go on. But when I'm atamba ne long marwa nanga warwamsi. So
I come to them I won't pay sponsor and a sponsor in the show.
Yeah, I'm a space sponsor and I have a Rambezi.
Rambezi at least comes to the with the fence hour.
My China Yana.
You got my China and I put you fee. Hey, Mongani again.
Original Mongan lodges were just saying Chong. Zing.
On Chingwana Hong,
Zonzo, Zazaza.
On Chingwana Hong,
don't fall. Change church of fool.
Hey, but I never really is anything that you wanna do say in closing?
Guys, what I'm gonna send is already drop albums.
Yeah.
Because you never know which song will blow up.
Maphorisa high.
Okay, Maphorisa kwamba ngori ene ngavege wakuno dropa single thanu
zanga album
feature wa ngori udo feature we no udo visanga ilizina feature wanga we feature na we by 1 week una nyimbo za 10 zinaza wana Maphorisa ukhadzo abdani budzo sonja visa album mara country album una nyimbo za 10 dzobvaho nga 1 week nga mwezi ni wana nyimbo zanosuka 30 zinaza bo they are out iniko that drop a single yanu, you're just an upcoming artist. Richidaka YouTube yanu, we can't even find anything. It's just that song. So come on over nyimbo taro. That's not how it works. Maphorisa zya ngwara ku ngwanela batho bane ba bori ba established. ḓi vhona wana tshelede vhona uri ana mini
Yeah.
a khou ṅwalela heḽa zwithu o beiza kha dzi artist nje upcoming na dzi artist dzine wa fhela vhege mbili ni sina na booking no ralo ni na nyimbo nzhinji dzi tshi khou bva fhala na musi u tshi khou vhona muthu muthihi nga ḓuvha vhararu nga ḓuvha it's a lot ngotsho fhela mara vhathu vha ḓo gidimela murado ngori album a tsha rengisa a tsha rengisa ngori dzi nga rengisa hani ngori ano maḓuvha ndi streaming and I ṱoḓela zwa dzi USB ko bona so it's all those things vhoraso ndi vha khou bvelela ende vha khou wana
vha khou wana
vumbuluwo
ri khou nyanga u i vala
ri vho ṱoḓa u ṱuwa vhoraso
thank you for the support. You know that we always
check us out, guys.
Let us know what else you want us to talk about. To talk podcast, we shoot everywhere. Whether we have time or we don't have time, we make sure that we always
even though they make me drink
something. Then could drink you.
So I'm trying this thing called Springbok.
Yeah, your sponsor is Springbok. So guys, thank you so much. Make sure that you always watch this and share this. And we are out.
Amara here. Ngazani dukani swana ndi mwana ndi mahongoni. Bari ya urona zwimwe ni khanda ḓo venjelele ri dzhena ho valiwa ra vhanyara vhanyuluda ra tsa midini midana ni ri hothe. Rina vhoraso kheva. Yone vho swika.
We are out, man.
Uno bva chanda.